Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the old road by Porus to see what's going on, because since the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 opened and it's free, it's a toll road but you don't have to pay to use the section from Maypen to Mandeville. The area of Porus and Clarendon Park have seen a significant decline in business, or in the amount of the traffic that uses the road. Because why would you drive on this old windy road full of potholes when you have a highway to drive on that's free? So we're just giving you a tour of what's going on, and just by driving on the road you can clearly see a decline in the amount of vehicles using the road. Alright, so we're going to turn around and head back into Porus. Just wanted to show you what traffic was like out here. Not one car at these vendors. So the highway is only free until the end of the year, and then they haven't announced what the toll is going to be yet. But if the toll is expensive, then traffic will definitely return to this road. But if the toll is low, then I don't know if the traffic will return to this area. Unfortunately, when you change the flow of traffic, these things happen. Now Mandeville is set to boom. They are actually doing road improvement because they have gotten so much more traffic, and because Mandeville is a main town and the highway goes to Mandeville now, and these areas are going to see a decline in traffic because this road is very outdated. It hasn't been maintained properly over the years, as you can see. And I don't know if there's even any way to expand this road, but definitely no plans were made, and the road definitely needs to be paved over. So you can't blame people for using the highway that is free instead of this road. So we're heading into the town of Porus now. We're heading towards the town. And it's not a ghost town, but definitely less traffic on this road than before. Hopefully one day they put an exit off the highway to Porus. That will definitely help. But they said as the towns and areas or communities along the highway grow, they will put in more exits. Can imagine the same thing is happening in Clarendon Park. Although Clarendon Park has some very popular food locations, so people might exit and go to those locations. But we're going to check it out. We're going to make a video on Clarendon Park also. this is a town now, and it definitely, wow, things have definitely slowed down. Definitely. Sometimes you have a traffic jam in town. But the good thing is you have schools, and you have the police station, and you have the courthouse. But it's just the traffic that would just pass through from as it being the main road. It's not here anymore. It's on the highway. So you have churches, you have high schools. Now going from Mandeville to Porus is so much easier. But why would you, Mandeville is such a large town that has everything you need. Why would you come to do any business in Porus? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.